Hey Praisers and Savers, we're at CVS, my favorite store. I didn't shop yesterday. I went and got my nails done for the football game this weekend, so we're shopping today. We're in my favorite aisle, the cereal aisle, so let's go ahead and get started. Make sure that you like, share, and smash that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell to know when my next videos are posted. Let's get started. This is actually my favorite cereal, and these are originally $5.49. Usually if I go to Kroger, they're probably about $4 or so a box, but they're on sale for $1.99 here at our local CVS. And also I have a $2 coupon when I buy 2 of the Kellogg's cereals, so it's going to make this just $1.50 each. So I'm picking up 2 boxes. It's going to be $3 when I use that $1 off coupon. Now on my app I have a $5 off when you spend $30 on food, but I doubt I will get to that today. But if you are a person that wants to buy a bunch of food at CVS, you can try to use that CRT, but I will not be using it. Alright, our next item is going to be some of these Hershey products. They have the bags, the snackable share bags, whatever they're called, for $2.99. They're usually $4.79. They've got the Kisses, they've got the Hershey's Nuggets, what else? They've got the Reese cups down here that are $2.99, and then you'll get a $1 bag, an extra care box when you buy these. And I like this a lot because my daughter loves these, but also like you can just give these as a little gift for a friend at work. And when you do that, they're only going to be $1.99 because you'll get back $1 in extra care box. And this is a limit of 1 per household, so picking up 1 bag for $1.99 each. Alright, this is like the 6th or 7th week that we've got the Monofolgi spray, the disinfectant antimicrobial spray. So these are $9.99 on sale. You get back $9 in extra care box, making this just 99 cents. I absolutely love this deal to put in my classroom to spray and clean the desk for my students. So 99 cents for a bottle of disinfectant spray. Got a great deal on this Crest Advanced Multi-Protection mouthwash. You can get that one. They've got the Clean Mint. They even have the Glamorous White one, which I never see that on a sale, but I want to get this big bottle here. These are $4.99. I have a $1 off coupon. Bring these down to $3.99, and then you'll get $2 back in extra care bucks, making this just $1.99 each. Now you can actually do this deal twice. It's 2 per household, so $1.99 for each bottle of mouthwash. Also, there's a $6 CRT coming off on when you spend $30 on select oral care or shave care. So I'm hoping that comes off at the register. Sometimes you just never know, but I'm going to be getting some razors as well, so hopefully it all combines and I can get that $6 CRT off in addition to using this $1 off coupon each. So I'll use 2 of these coupons and get 2 bottles of that mouthwash. Alright, gonna pick up some Venus razors now. So these are $9.99, so let's just say $10. Picking up 2 of these at $10 each. That's $20 in Venus razors. So when I pick up those, I'm also going to use 2 of these $3 off coupons. So taking off $6 in these Venus razors. So that's $20 minus 6 is $14. And then we're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks when we buy 2 of those Gillette or Venus razors. So it's only going to make these razors $4 when we get both of them, or $2 each. And also I'm hoping that $6 CRT comes off when you spend $30 on razors and oral care. So I'm not sure yet, but we shall see. So $2 each for razors is a pretty good deal. We have an amazing deal on these Oral-B manual toothbrushes. So these are $3.99 each. They were $6.29, and we don't have any toothbrushes actually in my stockpile right now, so I need these desperately. I got my last toothbrush out of my stockpile last night. So picking these up at $3.99 each, you're gonna pick up 3 of them, and when you do that, let's just say it's you're picking up 3, so $4, $8, $12, and then you're gonna use $3 3 of these $2 off coupons, so that's $6 in coupons. So that's going to bring your total down to $6, and then you're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. So actually just making these toothbrushes just $1 for all 3, or 33 cents each. Great deal, and you can do this deal twice, but I only have enough coupons to do this deal once. Also, if you do not have those paper coupons, you could use a digital coupon from the app. So there's a digital coupon for when you buy 3 of them. So pick up 3 of them and you'll use that digital coupon. So that works as well if you don't have the paper coupons. Alright, so the Crest Toothpaste, we're also going to pick that up so we can get the double dip on this, because it's 2 for the Oral-B manual toothbrushes or the Crest Toothpaste. So we'll exceed the amount that we can use per household for the extra care bucks. So we'll have the toothbrushes and the toothpaste this week. And it's also going to be $1 when we're all done, or 33 cents for each. So we're picking up 3 tubes of toothpaste at $3.99 each, so just say $4. So for a $12 worth of toothpaste, we're going to use these $2 off coupons. That's 2, 4, 6. So 12 minus $6 in coupons is $6. And then we'll get back $5 in extra care bucks. So that makes it $1 as our final cost. And that's $1 for all 3 tubes, or 33 cents each, which is an amazing deal. And we're going to combine all of the toothpaste, mouthwash, toothbrushes, and the razors in one transaction, hopefully to get that $6 off when we spend $30. So we'll see what happens at the register. Finally, we're back at the spend $30, get $10 back. We had that spend $40, get $10 back for quite some time, and I did not like it at all. So what I'm gonna do is pick up 2 of these Tide Power Pods Hygienic Clean. These are my favorite, the 10 times heavy duty ones. They've got 2 left, so I'm picking up both of those, and I'm gonna use a $3 off coupon for both of those. And then I'm gonna be picking up 2 of the bags of Tide Pods, and I'm going to use a $2 off coupon. I'm using 2 coupons and 2 bags. So let me show you what my total is going to be. So we pick up all 3 of those. It's going to be $33.76. All right. When we take our coupons off, it's going to total $23.76 when we take off all of our coupons. So those 2 $3 coupons for that one, and then the 2 $2 coupon for the bag. So it'll be $23.76. Then we'll get back $10 in extra care bucks, which brings our total down to $13.76, which is pretty amazing considering we're saving $20 when we use the coupons and get back our extra care bucks for these Tide products. So $13.76 for 2 large things of Tide and 2 bags of Tide is really amazing. Alright, Praisers and Savers, we are back from my favorite store, CVS. I have been couponing there since 2009, so it is truly my favorite. I did 3 transactions today, and one of the transactions was $0. I love that. Didn't even have to take out my wallet. Super excited. So that was actually on the tooth products. So we've got the 3 toothbrushes, the 3 toothpaste, and both mouthwash. They were absolutely free. So I'll be putting that in the thread so you guys can see that was $0, and I saved 100% in that transaction. So in total, everything before coupons and store rewards, all of that was $143.50. So $143.50 for everything you see here, but I only spent a grand total of $21. So let's just go over some things. The most expensive thing was the Tide products. All the Tide products together was $13 and some change. Plus, we're gonna add that $1 for that Monofolgi. So that's $14. And then the razors, they were $2 each. So that's gonna be $18. And then we had the cereal. I actually double dipped on a coupon. So that was only $1 for both of the cereals. I was able to use the digital coupon as well as the paper coupon. And then the Hershey Kisses were $2. So the cereal was even cheaper than we thought. We thought we were gonna spend $3, but we did not. So that is a very good deal. All right, guys, so make sure you have liked, share, and subscribed, and I'll see you next week at CVS.